Hello, here we have one coffee machine Delonghi. I just changed water pump before some minutes and I have it here, but again it has same problem. In the beginning it was it doesn't come water from both sides, and now with new pump it comes water, just that normal water and not the coffee. So this is just a way how to try take water here at place from coffee. It doesn't work, because if you try 100 times you lose more coffee than worth of this machine. We have to descale this coffee machine and then to try if it will come water. We have to do it 2 or 3 times or 4 times if it needs. With removing this small cable here, it has 2 small cables and you remove one of them. This cleaner was strong and it cleaned also rust what it had inside, and now it started to get out water, but it's not a big problem because I can just change this part here, this part. It was rusted down and this cleaner cleaned it all, and yeah, so I have to change also this part and then coffee machine will work.